Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2017 on a 17 plate Ford B-Max Zetec Navigator. This is the 1 litre turbocharged petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Moondust silver metallic, and it's covered just 30,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around of this very good looking, very low mileage Ford B-Max. Really popular little MPVs with us on the used market, ever so practical as a day-to-day car. This is a June 2017 registered vehicle. It's literally just ticked 30,000 miles. It's had only the 2 owners from new. 4 very recent tyres on these 15-inch silver alloy wheels that are in really good shape. Excellent service history right the way throughout its life, 7 recorded services, so extremely well maintained despite that very low mileage right the way through. £190 a year to tax, nice low insurance group. You've got that 1 litre turbocharged petrol engine, so very sensible fuel economy as well. And like I say, really practical family cars, nice high seating position. You've got these sliding rear doors, which I'll come to in a second. And this is the Zetec Navigator spec, so it's got a really nice level of trim as well. You get the metallic paint. And as we have a look inside, nice cloth interior, which is in really good condition, as is the whole car. Remote central locking, does come supplied with 2 remote keys. All the door cards are in really good condition. You've got 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable, and they're power folding door mirrors. It's got its original carpet mats. 2 keys up onto the steering wheel, which again is in really good shape. On there you've got your Bluetooth and radio controls. Little trip computer on the end of the stalk there. Down below we've got 12-volt socket, couple of cup holders, and manual handbrake. 5-speed manual gearbox. In the glove box, all your handbooks, locking wheel nut key. And then back across you've got another 12-volt socket, auxiliary with USB. And then up onto your infotainment, so you've got air conditioning down below. And it's got Ford's heated front screen as well, which is a really nice feature. And then I'll just start the car up so you can see the specification above. So foot on the clutch. And away you go, and there's your mileage, 30,019, so literally just ticked 30,000. And then up onto the infotainment, so you've got DAB digital radio, we've got satellite navigation. Just close the door. There we go, so you've got sat-nav built in, you've got Bluetooth for your telephone as well. If I put the car into reverse, you've got a nice big reversing park pilot with the parking sensors at the back as well. Really big windows, lovely visibility. Based on the Fiesta chassis, so it's not a massive car, it's a Fiesta underneath, but you have got that just all-round extra bit of practicality really. Sliding rear doors, so that does allow for really easy access into the rear of the vehicle, and obviously if you've got kids and so on, not big doors that are swinging open. Nice and tidy in the back as well. You've got ISOFIX for the child seats, 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, so really comfortable 5-seater. And then round to the back of the car, like I say, you've got those parking sensors across the back, and then into the boot space, split folding rear seats, parcel shelf at the top, and then you've got this really good size twin layered boot space, so you've got a nice flat loading area at the top. This can lift out to give you some more space underneath, and then underneath again you've got the luxury of a spare wheel. So there we have it, June 2017 Ford B-Max Zetec Navigator. It's the 1 litre turbo petrol, 30,000 miles from 2 owners, with a full 7 stamp service history, 4 recent new tyres, nice low insurance group, sat-nav model, parking sensors as well. Finance is available from less than £160 a month based on a 10% deposit. and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT, along with 2 keys plus our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Cracking looking car, ticks an awful lot of boxes. This will be popular. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.